make a robot, we need this L293d IC module and robot chassis with attached DC motors of any RPM, 60, 100 or 200, 300, any RPM we can take. Normally 60 works better. So we prepare this robot chassis. After that we are having this L293d. So to test this L293d, here it is having power supply connectors, and then here it is having input connectors, so that we can provide 1-0 logic, and by connecting the motors on motor 1 and motor 2 we can test whether the IC is working or not, it is accepting the logics 1-0 or not. So we'll see by connecting motors. These motors are connected with 2-pin connectors, so I am attaching one motor on motor 1 pin and another motor on motor 2 pin. So motors have been attached, but still L293d is not provided with the power supply, so I am using one Arduino board. From the Arduino board I am providing the power supply 5-volt ground. So here 5-volt grounds are there, then from there I am taking it, and on the IC also 5-volt ground is mentioned, so same place, red wire 5-volt and black wire ground. Once I connected, it got the power supply, that IC got the power supply. Now on the input side, we need to provide the 5-volt and 0-volt, that is 1-0 logic. So I am using that same power supply unit, 5-volt and ground, and I am connecting on the first two connectors 1-0. So I am providing, so the motor is rotating with 1-0. I am testing, so it is rotating in one direction. This battery may be weak, that is the reason it is rotating very slow. So fine, I will change with the battery and test with another more power battery, that is of 9 volts. So yes, I am changing the battery now. Now see, it is moving very fast. So fine, 1-0 I tested. Now I am changing the logic to 0-1. So 0-1, just cross connection, like reverse connection. So it has changed the direction. Now second motor also, just connect on the second pin, so it is rotating. If I change the logic, like instead of 1-0, if I provide 0-1, so direction is changed. See, fine. You can change the direction from here also, on the motor side, on the output side, or from the input side. So this is about the L293d working and testing with robot chassis.